When installing a Prestige insert with internal blowers, first connect your transition. You will run your external wires through the pre-cut opening on the back of the insert. We will be securing these wires to the pre-installed terminal block. Your black wire will be inserted into terminal block lead 1. White wire will be installed to terminal block lead 2. Once your wires have been connected, please put your terminal block inside the pre-installed housing. You may now reattach the cover to your terminal block housing.